Today, we are diving into one of the most powerful, most requested, and almost magical features this bot has to offer, the ability to see the unseen. But before we pull back the curtain on this incredible tool, it is absolutely essential that you have your own bot up and running. If this is the first video you're seeing in this series, stop right here. I need you to click the very first link in the description below, which will take you to our Part 1 guide on how to deploy your bot from scratch. It's a simple process, and once you have your bot online, you can come right back to this video to unlock this game-changing feature. Alright, for everyone who is ready, let's talk about that infamous little bubble. This message was deleted. It's a source of endless curiosity and sometimes genuine frustration. What was said? What was sent? Was it a mistake, a secret, or something important they retracted? What if I told you that from this day forward, that bubble will have no power over you? What if you could have a perfect, unchangeable record of every single thing sent in your groups and private messages, even after it's been deleted? Well, that's not a what if. That is exactly what we are going to set up. First, let me show you what this looks like in action, because seeing is believing. On my screen, you can see a standard WhatsApp group chat. I'm going to use my secondary account to send a couple of things. First, a text message. Let's say, let's meet tomorrow. And now, I'm also going to send a piece of media, let's say this important image right here. Okay, both the text and the image are now in the group. But then, my secondary user has a change of heart. They decide they shouldn't have shared that information. So, they select the text message, tap delete, and choose delete for everyone. Gone. Then they do the same for the image. Delete. Delete for everyone. Gone. For every other member in the group, that information has vanished, replaced by two "this message was deleted" bubbles. It's as if it never happened. But now, let's look at my screen. I'm going to switch over to a private group I've created called Recycle Bin. And look at this. The bot, working silently in the background, has instantly forwarded both of the deleted items to this private channel. Here is the text message, perfectly preserved, with a note saying who sent it, at what time, and in which group it was deleted. And right below it, here is the image, fully downloaded and saved, with the same information. Nothing was lost. Nothing is hidden. This is the power of the Delete Recovery module. It acts as a digital black box recorder for your WhatsApp, ensuring that you have a complete and total record of everything. It works for text, images, videos, stickers, documents, audio notes. If it can be sent, it can be saved. And it works not just in groups, but also in your private DMs with other users. Now that you've seen what it can do, let's talk about how it works and, most importantly, how you can set this up for yourself in just a few simple steps. This module works silently in the background from the moment your bot is active. It is constantly, passively saving a temporary copy of messages and media that pass through the chats it is in. When it detects that a user has triggered the delete for everyone function, it checks its temporary memory for the original content. If it finds it, it immediately recovers that content and forwards it to a destination that you, the bot owner, have configured. The system is designed for privacy and efficiency. The temporary logs are automatically cleaned up after a few days, so your bot isn't storing years of data, only what's recent and relevant for recovery purposes. The configuration of this entire module is handled with the utmost security in mind. All of the setup commands are for the bot owner or designated pseudo users only, and they must be used in a private message chat with your bot. This ensures that no one else, not even other group admins, can see or change your recovery settings. This is your personal surveillance tool, and you have exclusive control over it. So, let's head over to my private message window with my bot and I'll walk you through every command you need to know. The main command for managing this entire system is, appropriately, delete. Let's start by checking the current status of the module. In my PM with the bot, I'm just going to type the word delete and send it. The bot immediately replies with a status report. It shows me the current settings, including the send mode, which can be either to your private message chat or to a group, whether the recovery is active, and the number of days messages are saved before the automatic cleanup. This is your dashboard for the feature, and it's the first place you should look if you want to know how your system is configured. Now, let's talk about the destination. By default, the bot might be set to send all recovered messages and media to your private chat with the bot itself. This is the PM mode. It's a perfectly functional way to use the feature. To set it to this mode, you would type delete P or the full word, delete PM. This is a good option if you are the sole operator and want to keep everything in one place. However, as you saw in my demonstration, I believe a much more organized, professional, and scalable approach is to have a dedicated group that acts as your recycle bin. This keeps the recovered messages separate from your direct commands and conversations with the bot, creating a clean, searchable archive. This is the group mode. To set this up, the first step is to tell the bot you want to use a group as the destination. The command for this is delete G or delete group. I'm going to type delete G and send it. The bot will confirm that the destination mode has been switched to group. However, we're not done yet. We've told the bot that we want to use a group, but we haven't told it which group. The bot is now waiting for us to provide it with the specific address, or JID, of our target group. This is where my recycle bin group comes in. I've already created this group, and the only members are me and the bot. To get the JID of this group, I'll quickly switch over to it and use the familiar JID command. The bot instantly replies with the group's unique JID. I'm going to copy this entire JID string to my clipboard. Now, I'll head back to my private message chat with the bot to complete the configuration. The command to set the target group is simply delete followed by a space, and then the JID you want to use. So, I will type delete, and then I will paste the JID I just copied from my recycle bin group. I'll double check that it's correct, and then I'll hit send. The bot will immediately confirm that the target JID has been set. And that's it. The setup is complete. From this moment forward, any message deleted in any group the bot is in, or in any private chat, will be automatically and silently forwarded to my designated recycle bin group, creating the perfect, organized archive we saw at the beginning of the video. The system is also flexible. What if you decide you no longer want to use a specific group and want to switch back to receiving recovered messages in your PM? You don't have to start over. You can simply send the delete P command again, and it will switch the mode back to PM. What if you want to keep it in group mode but change the target group? You would just get the JID of the new group and use the delete command followed by new group JID to override the old setting. And if you want to completely remove the target group setting without changing the mode, you can use the command delete clear. This will remove the configured JID. If your mode is still set to a grouper at this point, the system is smart enough to have a fallback. It will simply revert to sending the recovered messages to your PM until you set a new valid group JID. This comprehensive set of commands gives you total and complete control over where your sensitive, recovered information is sent, ensuring it always goes exactly where you want it to. And with that simple configuration, you have officially lifted the veil of secrecy on WhatsApp. You have built your own personal, automated, and infallible digital archive. The power of the delete for everyone button, a feature designed to retract and hide, has been completely neutralized. You now have a system that champions transparency and ensures total accountability, whether you're managing a large community, running a business group where every message counts, or simply want a complete record of your personal conversations. You have transformed your bot from a simple assistant into a powerful intelligence tool, one that guarantees that you will never again have to wonder what was behind that message deleted bubble. The information that flows through your chats is now preserved, giving you a level of oversight and peace of mind that was previously unimaginable. This is not just a cool trick, it is a fundamental shift in how you can manage and understand your digital communications, putting you in a position of complete informational control.